Hello, we have three great spend and get deals from Norwex this month. First up, when you spend $75 or more, you can add the cleaning paste to your order for only $15. You're saving $21.99 on this product, which I think is pretty insane, but that's so awesome. So next up, if you spend $99 or more, you can also add the utility brush to your order for only $8. So you're saving $5.99. This is mine. It's a little worn. Third, you can add the all-purpose cream cleaner to your order for $15 when you spend $110 or more. You can add one, none, or all of them. So let's talk about these three products and how you would use them in your home. We're going to get started with the cleaning paste. This is your elbow grease in a jar. It scrubs away rust stains, hard water stains, lime scale, soap scum, scuff marks, permanent marker, hard water stains, clay, even burn marks. We've had burn marks in our air fryer and it works fantastic. Caked on dirt, grime, all the things. It is a potent dose of cleaning power that comes as a solid in a jar, requires water to use it. So you would use it with a damp envirocloth or one of the Norwex scrubbies, just dipped in water, and then you simply swipe across the cleaning paste and rub it onto the surface to be cleaned. So that's what it looks like. The all-purpose cream cleaner is really portable. It's easy to carry in your backpack, your diaper bag, suitcase, the RV, keep one in the glove box, or even if you have a Norwex travel bag, it's great for that. It removes gunk, soap scum, hard water stains, lime scale, caked on food, soil, scuff marks, permanent marker, grime, toothpaste, fingerprints. I mean, the list goes on and on. I love this. It is very gentle, yet it's a really mighty formula made from baking soda and microfine mineral power that deep cleans gently but very effectively. You can use this with or without water, so you can squirt just a little bit of this directly onto an envirocloth or a sponge and you're ready to go. I also like that it easily squeezes directly from the tube, so I can get it down in all the nooks and crannies, get inside the tiny spots that might be a little bit more challenging with my cleaning paste. And finally, let's cover the utility brush. It has stiff nylon bristles that easily scour the grime from your small spaces, while this really cool silicone tip removes dirt from corners and kind of other hard to reach spots. It is a 2-in-1 tool. It's really easy to hold in your hand. The dense, stiff bristles, they quickly remove stuck on goo and buildup. You can use it with water alone or pair it with our cleaning paste or even the cream cleaner, and that will just give you a deeper clean. I love flipping the tool over and using the handy silicone tip to remove crumbs, dirt, and debris from all the nooks and crannies from in my window trim, like the borders. It's very unique because it has silver in it, which is Norwex's BacLock. It's our exclusive micro silver agent, and it protects the brush and the handle from odors, bacterial growth, microbes, which means it's ready to use again and again for all the nasty jobs too. I hope this was helpful.